Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females magic.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be making a car. So let's get to it. So first we gotta get the wallpaper. So I'm like thinking of like getting something like basically like carish. So I'm trying to get something carish because I need this to make it look aesthetic. So first we gotta get the clouds to make it look like the outside, and then we gotta get our floor paper, but we still gotta get our wallpaper for the car. So yeah, so I'm scrolling. Oh, there it is. I like this. It's actually giving vibes. So now we gotta find our floor paper. Okay, scrolling. Where could we? Alright. Found it. Alright, now we gotta get the chairs so like when the grown-ups like drive, they can like sit somewhere, because obviously you need chairs around, your car, and sometimes actually like the grown-ups, not the grown-ups, like sometimes sorry, the kids can't have, we can't, I'm sorry guys, we can't have a small chair because the kids, they might be like bent over or something, so you want to have a big chair for the back. So I need to move a little closer. So first we gotta get the big one. We want to like a little close, but I think that I should spread the chairs out first, then put the table in the middle, because then it could just make it look more. Yeah, I got this idea a second ago when I was watching YouTube. And then I saw a girl doing making her car. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna do one too. So here we are now doing it, and I just put on a glove. But now we are gonna put the chair, and now we like put that up closer, like that spread out. Yeah, just like that. That's all looking nice. Alright, so I'm taking that. Alright, so now we gotta go get like the back seat chairs, because the back seat just has to have that. For the kids, yeah, this is like this. Not really sure. Actually, I am. Yeah, that looks nice. Alright, now we gotta do oh, we gotta get the speaker, so like they can listen to music. Ewy, ewy, ewy. Alright, wait, I can't find it. I can't find what I'm looking for. Come on, y'all. Alright, now I gotta add the speaker, so we need to get the speaker. Yeah, so I gotta put in the box, because I don't know where it is. I thought